Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to fix red standby mode on iPhone in iOS 17. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the methods. To fix red standby mode, first we'll try changing some of the standby mode settings. Open the settings app and scroll down and choose standby from the list. Now make sure standby mode is turned on at the top and then look for the night mode toggle switch. If you don't see it, it may be in a separate display section, so tap on that. When you find it, make sure that night mode is turned off by using the toggle switch. This should prevent the red colour and you can test it out. Another way to fix it would be to check for iOS updates in case it is caused by a bug. You can do this by going to Settings, then General, and then Software Update. See if there are any updates available. You could also try restarting your iPhone and then try standby mode again. That's how to fix red standby mode on iPhone in iOS 17. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.